All right, I think I'm live now. Can everyone hear me? There might be like a slight delay. Uh, I see that there are 4 people, I think. Cool, perfect. I think there's like a slight delay from the time I speak to when you hear me. There might be like a 30 seconds delay, but that should be good enough. So today I'm gonna try to set up Python and Selenium on my machine. Perfect. And I don't have my camera on just because, well, I don't have the best setup right now, let's just say. I'm not sure if there's a way to reduce the delay. I mean, I know like with Twitch too, there's like a 30-second delay. So it seems like with video streams, these delays are kind of inevitable. I guess with Twitter, live streams, these delays are less. It's like less than a second, I think. But maybe with videos, it's just kind of, you know, inevitable, like I was saying. But let's just do it, and let's see how it goes. I'm not really used to like these, video streams, but yeah, let's see how it goes. I think I see a couple of people here. Welcome, Rakesh. Welcome, uh, Kalimula, I think. And I want to see. Okay, looks like Subho's here. Oh, Subho. I always get confused, but thank you for being here anyway. Yes, so this channel, like I created it for, you're right. Like, I created it for upcoming creators, for people to like just upload any videos they want, like as long as they're above a certain quality threshold, I guess. But then I haven't been using it that much, so I figure, like I was saying, I'm gonna use it for just these spontaneous streams and just to see how it goes with that. And actually, the first thing I want to do is, first of all, I'm gonna share my screen, I guess. I don't think you can see my screen yet. I need to add it here. And I think you should be able to see my screen now. Hello, 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 Pritesh. Welcome. And I don't think I'll be able to, check Twitter while I do this, because that would be like a lot of multitasking. Perfect. But yeah, I'm just gonna do some stuff here. So I think I can go live for maybe an hour, but I figured I can spend the first few minutes doing this thing. I'm not sure like if you guys saw this, but there's this thing where this company is this, I guess, doing this marketing campaign where they're trying to send an open source developer on vacation, which is a pretty cool initiative. I think they are like. So I think I'm gonna do that first. I wanted to nominate someone to this thing. I think I just need to like, nominate someone, and then when they get enough nominations, they can get a free vacation. Yeah, don't worry about staying up too late, Rakesh, because I understand it's really late for you, and yeah, all of this is recorded, so yeah, don't worry about it at all. By the way, I want to make sure this stream is public. I think there's a way to do that here. Let me just figure it out. Yeah, it's unlisted right now, so let me make it public. I don't know if anyone's going to show up that way, but it looks like there are 7 people here, which is cool. Welcome, everyone. Yeah, so yeah, I appreciate that. I mean, don't worry about it, if it's too much. So the first thing I want to do is, like I was saying, spend maybe a few minutes just exactly. It is kind of like a Twitter space, and I could even have like other people here, I guess, if someone wants to jump in. But I think for a while, just gonna be me. And as you can see, this is it's gonna be with some visual aid too. Like you can see my screen, which is much better, I think. And I think I can set it up like this so that you can see my screen better. So who should I nominate to go on vacation? I think you can do it on your end too. But I'm asking you, the audience, who should I send to nominate on vacation? So this could be like any open source developer. Like I said, I'm gonna do. Yep. So like I said, I'm gonna do actual building later. But for now, I want to spend the first few minutes just doing this, just for fun. So I don't know. Graham is an open source developer. Who should I send? Okay, Pritish. Maybe you can show me your open source, the open source projects you've contributed to, because I don't know much about your work. That would be helpful. So I was kind of thinking, Eddie, Eddie Jode, right? Do I just do I send do I just send a name? I'm not sure. Like, is there? Oh, this is nominating a new person. I guess there's a list here. View all nominees. Yeah, Eddie Judd. Thank you for the Rakesh. Hello, Jeremy. It's good to see you here. Okay, cool. Anyway, I guess I can just search through these nominees or nominate someone new. Eddie should be here, right? I mean, there's no way he isn't. So let me just look through the lists here. Ivan's here. And I'm guessing I can just search for Eddie here. Oh yeah, here he is. Vote for Eddie. Confirm your votes. To ensure that the votes are fair, we'll just need authenticate via GitHub. 2 other people before casting your vote. I'm not sure who the 2 other people should be, but I guess I can just nominate Eddie. Like, I know he works like super hard, so I think he's the one who kind of needs the vacation if there's anyone. All right, let's just nominate. So this is my, like I said, this is my first stream. I'm kind of nervous about like doing authentication stuff. Emma. Is Emma here? No. I'm not sure which Emma you mean. But, I don't want to spend like too much time on this one. So I'm just gonna try confirming here. All right. Just authorize this app. And then that's it. I just nominated Eddie to go on vacation. You can make mods. I'm not sure what you mean, like mods in the chat. Anyway, I think if you guys want to like do the same, nominate someone like an open source. Sigun. Yeah, I'm not sure how to make a moderator here. Is it on the UI? Rakesh, I can make you a moderator if you want, but I know it's getting super late for you. Okay. All right. Since you mentioned him, is it Sigun? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I might not be able to nominate like any more person because I already sent it. But if you want to send it like from your end, oh, Kalim, sure, yeah. I mean, if you want, I can make you a moderator. I don't know what kind of power it's giving you, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna be a problem. How do you do that? Pin message, report, remove, put user in. Oh, add moderator. Okay. All right, Kalim, you're moderator now. And thank you everyone for being here. I was just spending a few minutes. Yeah, just nominating an open source developer to have a free vacation. But that's just a side thing I wanted to do. Yeah, I already did that. So Kalim is now a moderator. You should be a moderator now. Let me see. Yeah, remove moderator. So yeah, I don't know what like a moderator can do, but you're a moderator. So I think what I want to do in this session is, I guess I'm gonna pull up something I can write on, like Excalibur. That's probably the right way. And then I'm just gonna delete this one and then make a new thing. I'm kind of nervous about like sharing my screen because I don't know what's gonna show up, but I don't think there's gonna be anything bad. Oh, cool. Kalim, your name is Blue now. You're the Kalim I talked to, right? Like you show up. We talked before in Twitter Spaces, I think. The same Kalim. That's what I was assuming anyway. It's okay. Let's just have. Okay, cool. Yeah, welcome anyway. And yeah, for now I think one moderator is good, and then I'm gonna try to go through this stream. I can add delay in stream. I'm not sure what you mean, Pritesh. Let's add stuff here. So go for this stream. Let's say 1 hour. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Let me zoom and then make this color different. I want to make it like that. So like I was saying, yeah, but like if something shows up, if something bad shows up, how do you remove it that quickly? Is there a way to do that? I mean, I'm using StreamYard because it's simple to like set it up. But I feel like I just need to be like super careful, and I shouldn't have a problem because I don't think there's anything I would need to hide except for like passwords. But if I need to pull up passwords, I would obviously like hide the screen first before doing it. So I don't think that's gonna be a problem. Yeah, welcome everyone. So like someone was just saying, this is just like one of my streams. The only difference is it's on YouTube and it has some visual elements to it, unlike like my Twitter live streams. So let me just write down this, write down the goal for this stream. I guess we have like 15 minutes left. I'm gonna try to finish everything in 50 minutes anyway. So I want to set up Selenium locally. Set up Selenium locally. And then I want to be able to control Selenium with Python, right? Control it with Python. Yes, it is like a visual Twitter space, but it's on YouTube, obviously. And like I was saying, I could have I could have a guest here, but for now, I want to I want to do it on my own. And I guess if anyone I know shows up in chat, I could have them, like I could add them. Yes, YouTube stream with Spaces Dojo. Thank you for that. Yeah, I could have a guest in the future, but for now, let me just do it on my own, and let's see what happens. So go for the stream is set up Selenium locally, and then control it with Python. And you might say, what's Selenium? I mean, it's a way to control your browser with code. I mean, some of you might be already familiar with it, but just in case, control browser with code. And in this case, I'm going to use Python, obviously. And that's pretty much it. Like 1,000 messages in minutes. I feel like if you do that, you'll get banned. Yes. So the reason I want to set this up is basically, for my personal project. But I'm not gonna spam anyone or anything. That's pretty bad. Okay, so this is the thing I want to do here. And then I'm not gonna do too much stuff with Selenium, I don't think, but we can pick a task and do it. So pick a task for Selenium, and do it. Maybe something on Wikipedia or something. I don't want to do social media because I feel like social media is kind of risky. It's a little sketchy. So I'd rather do something with public data, like Wikipedia. Okay, so that's the goal. Nice. What's up, web? But I don't know, sending 1,000 messages in a minute. That sounds pretty risky. I'm not sure if I would want to do that. Okay, I think with that, we can get started. So I'm gonna set up Selenium locally. I'm not a Selenium expert, but I think I know enough. I know I know a little bit. I've used it before. I just need to go through the documentation basically. So let's do that. Selenium, Mac installation. I'm just gonna. So Google's kind of weird. It should show Selenium's website as the first result, but it doesn't for some reason. Maybe I should just go to Selenium. Just Selenium here. And then downloads, right? I think so. The way I understand it is it has different components to it. There's the Python library and then the Webdriver. So I need to install both of them, I think. I might already have the Python one, but we'll see. Downloads. All right, let's check. I was running some stuff here, but you can ignore it. Let me pull up chat over here and then terminal here. I think that's the right way to set it up. So I'm just going to make a folder for this first. I'm going to say Selenium experiment, something like that. Selenium experiment. And then I guess I'll first check if I already have Selenium, because I would imagine it it's going to be pip install Selenium or something like that, or maybe pip3 install Selenium. But this documentation seems kind of confusing. API docs. This might be the right documentation for it. Pip install Selenium. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. But let me check the. version of my pip first. So I think this is the right one that I should be using. It's not the cleanest environment because like I had like Anaconda before, and then I had pipenv in different things. I guess brew might work better actually. Yeah, brew might work. So let me do more research here. I'm just gonna say, I guess I'll say Mac. Yeah, like I was saying, Selenium setup or install. Geeks for Geeks, tutorials point. There might be something here. Let's check Geeks for Geeks here. Maybe the reason it doesn't show Selenium, Selenium's website first is because it's not that good. Okay, how to install Selenium Webdriver on Mac OS? All right, I'm just reading this. Follow the below steps to install Selenium Webdriver on Mac OS. Brew. Yeah, Brew is good. Brew is kind of like, it's basically a package manager for Mac, and you can install pretty much anything. And it might be the right way to do it. It looks like I need to install Selenium WebDriver for Mac OS, whatever it is. Yeah, exactly. It's for installing anything for users or for the user you're using. Okay, follow the below steps to install Selenium WebDriver on macOS. I already have Python 3. Download and install the latest Chrome. Yeah, I already have that. Download the Chrome WebDriver zip file matching with your Chrome version. This step seems kind of sketchy. This is where I need to. Oh, Chrome WebDriver. That's what you need to do. You can't just do like brew install Selenium and be done with it. That seems kind of annoying, kind of scary. Oh, you did it yesterday. Is it how you did it, like this procedure? But before doing that, I think I can check other pages too, just to see what other people say. Yeah, let's do install Selenium. How to install. So this is the page I was looking at. You need to assign Chrome driver to access Selenium automatically. I'm not sure what you mean by that exactly. Tutorials point, pip install Selenium. Oh, there's brew. I don't know what cask is, but at least there is a way to install the Chrome driver. Chrome driver. This one seems solid actually. If I can do like, brew install Chrome driver, that seems more legit than just like going to that page. Yeah, I feel like brew is the right solution. Brew, Selenium, Chrome driver, I guess. Let's take a look at this one, Stack Overflow. How to install Selenium WebDriver on Mac. And then brew install Selenium driver. Selenium server. This one seems okay. And this is kind of scary because like I'm seeing different things here, like I have brew install Selenium server. And then here I have brew cask install Chrome driver. I want to use brew, but I'm not sure like which one to go with. I guess I'll do more research for that. How to install Selenium Python on Mac. Selenium on Mac Chrome. I guess I can look through like all of these and find the right one. Brew official site. Okay. Brew Mac. This one, right? Selenium. Selenium server. So this seems okay. I want to look at these ones too. Using Selenium on Mac Chrome. Chrome driver. Webdriver for Chrome. Brew install Chrome driver. Do I need to install Chrome driver and then Selenium, or just Selenium server? And then I still don't know what cask is. I know what brew is. But it seems like I need to do this. Brew cask reinstall Chrome driver, or brew cask install Chrome driver, and then install Selenium. Welcome, Ashira, I think. It's good to have everyone here. I'm just trying to set up Selenium with Python here. Try what it says on the official site of Brew. Okay. You use this blog to install Chrome driver. Which blog? I guess I might need to wait for your link or something. On PC at least, you check your browser version, download the appropriate driver, put in your environment variable path, in addition to installing Selenium. Right. Selenium is library which uses Webdriver, Chrome driver. So that means I need to install Chrome driver first, right? That's my understanding anyway. And I want to check what brew cask means first. Brew cask. What's the difference between brew and brew cask? Brew is the core command. Cask is an extension to Brew that allows management of graphical applications through Cask project. Okay, I guess that makes sense. Chrome's official site for Chrome driver. Go to help in Chrome. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to pick one of these Stack Overflow pages and then try it, see if it works. I think I had it open here. So there's brew install Selenium driver. I guess I could use this one too. This one's recommending easy install. But I think I want to try this one because this one seems like streamlined the most, and I like to use Brew, so that's what I'm going to try. Go to help in Chrome triple dots and right side. Yeah, I know I could do that, like manually install a driver, but I'd rather use Brew for this one, I think. So let me just try this. And let's see. Brewcast is no longer brew command. Okay. brew install. I guess it should be like this, cask Chrome driver, or maybe brew install Chrome driver cask. I'm not sure which way, but this seems like it's working. Yeah, I mean that's the only thing I can do, right? So I think the reason I like this particular method is because, I mean, like I said, it seems pretty streamlined. I just need to install Chrome driver and then Selenium. Yes, thank you, Kalim. Yeah, I think if you like it, it might be helpful, but what might be more helpful is just like, doing something on the Twitter side. Like if you could, like the tweet or comment on the tweet, that's probably the right way. And in fact, I'm gonna check what's going on there too. Because like I was saying, I can't, usually multitask. But while we wait, I think I can do that. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Yeah, it looks like a couple people are supposed to show up. Maybe they're not in the chat. Yeah, it all seems good. Like I said, this is a new thing I'm trying. So let's see how it goes. But right now I'm just waiting for this job to finish. Looks like it might take a while. So I think I can just hang out, chat, if you guys feel like it, and then basically just wait. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to put in the chat so I can answer. Yeah, I'm just checking Twitter. I mean, I don't see that many notifications right now. On any of my accounts. So I'm just gonna keep waiting. Yeah, I guess this kind of like, oh, thank you, Kalim, for sharing that. I just saw it. I'll just say, I guess I'm gonna reply from my main account. Yeah, I know it's late in India, but it's just the time zone difference. It's reasonable. Yeah, maybe next time I'll do it like earlier so more people can join. But it's okay. This one is just just for trying something. Oh, Suho. It reminds you of school days. Why? Yes. Thank you so much, Kalima. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna comment on your tweet. I'll say thank you so much. I feel like I should have like music or something at this point. I mean, at some point when I'm ready to like set up everything. But for now, this is just a casual stream. and I'm gonna do, I'm planning to do maybe 30 more minutes. Oh, someone's saying it was great. It was? I mean, the stream is not over yet, but thank you for saying that anyway. All right. Wow, this is taking a while. I didn't realize, a Chrome driver would be so big, really. So how's everyone doing anyway? Notifications on my main account. Yeah, it is off. You mean the Twitter, right? It is off, but I can go through things and like check my what mentions and stuff like that. So that's not a huge problem. The only thing is like I get like too many spams and stuff. So that's. Oh yeah, I see your comment. Oh yeah, watching Spaces Dojo bot automation. That's kind of funny. So as long as I follow you, I get notifications. So I'm just gonna comment on your tweet. I'm just gonna say thank you so much. And if you tweet or something, you can just like let me know, and then I can check too. All right, thank you for all the tweets. It looks like the job is about to finish. Yeah, solving math problems in the middle of the night. Used to talk on phone, hiding from my parents. That's cool. Yeah, I guess it's the same kind of thing because it's late night for you. All right. Oh no. Wait. Error. It seems there is already a binary. Does that mean I already had it? And how do I check if this was successful? I'm not sure. But let's see. So I'm not sure if this worked, but I guess I can check this. Chrome driver version. Okay. Looks like this is starting Chrome driver. Only local connections are allowed. Chrome driver was started successfully. Looks like it worked. So then the next step is this one. I wanna go to this thing, right? Or was I? Yeah. So let me first check this one too. Yeah, I mean, thank you for being here. I'm not sure if it's late night for you too, but I really appreciate you hanging out with me. Okay. So let's check pip. Let me first verify this is the right version of Python and pip that we're using here. Remove the charge. Oh, does it matter like if I remove it? Yeah, and I was saying thank you for this. 3 a.m. Well, yeah, I mean, don't worry about like staying here because it's all recorded. But I appreciate you being here anyway. So, what was I gonna say? Pip version. Yeah, I just verified that, and then pip install. Multitasking is kind of hard sometimes. I'm not sure if I've already installed it, but if I have, I think it's okay to run it again. I'm already. Oh, it looks like I already have it. So that means I can just go to the next step. So this one's so weird because this one looks like like a Windows path, but this is supposed to be for Mac. I might need to use a different resource to finish this one. But this one's a good start, I think. So through, yeah, for Mac, it's different, right? Mac, Selenium, Python. Let's try that. I'm not sure about this website, but I can try. Broadcast install Chrome driver. This is by far the easiest option. I agree, Simon Wilson. Chrome driver is on your path. Oh, it looks like I won't have to use an explicit Chrome driver path. Okay, and then pip install Selenium. I already did that. Demonstrating that it works. It looks like this person's using a notebook. It's hard to go through the chat and what I'm doing here at the same time. But let me focus on this first, the task at hand. From Selenium import Webdriver. Okay, let's try this. Chrome driver path. This one looks more like Mac. I guess I can just copy this whole thing. Okay, let's try that. Let's go back here, and then I'm just gonna do code. Let me actually do touch text.py, and it's not a creative name, but enough. And I'm gonna do code test.py. And then it's like I don't need this one. So I guess I can just run this one, right? Let me check the Python version. Maybe Python 3. That's weird because this pip is for Python 3.9, but this Python is for Python 3.7.9. I guess I could use like a pip m kind of thing, but for now I'm just gonna try this to see if it works, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna figure out something else. So Python 3 test.py. Okay, let's check pip 3 version here. Okay, that's pretty weird. Yeah, I know it's broken. Let's do pip m shell, okay? That might be the simplest way. No. Failed to create virtual environment. Everything is broken. No, this is terrible. But let's see if we can fix that. Wait. I feel like the problem is Anaconda. I mean, why is it here for pip, but not for Python? That's the problem. Okay, I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, this is pretty terrible. Okay, let's see. So pip, this pip is pointing to Python 3.9. Pip 3 is also pointing to Python 3.9. So what if I just manually, I mean, if I was doing it on my own, I might do it differently. But let me try this. This is very annoying. I want to find either the right pip or the right Python, or just use pipenv, but pipenv is not working. This is a huge pain. Okay, if no one has any idea for it, I'll try to figure it out. So the problem is my Python 3, yeah, which Python 3, right? Python. Which pip? The problem is my Python and pip are not pointing to the same thing. So I need to fix either one. I feel like the easier way might be to fix Python 3. Or maybe I can go into like the conda environment. I think there is a way to do that. So let me just use that for now. Like I don't necessarily want to use a conda environment, but that might be the only way. I think ideally I just want to use pip-m. Let me check pip-m. Wait, no, which pip? Let me hide this one. So pip-m is right. I mean, why can't I just do this? So I can't create pip-m for some reason. This is like an extra pain for me. Echo path. Okay. Maybe that's the problem. It might be an issue in like batch profile. Yeah, I feel like this is the problem. So I'm gonna keep a copy of batch profile, just like that. I mean, that should be okay, right? And then that should be on desktop. There might be some other files, but don't worry about those. Wait. Oh yeah, list all. Okay, so batch profile is here now. I copied it so I can mess around with the actual batch profile. And there's the conda thing. Yeah, I think conda just like messed up my path. I'm just going to delete all of this. I think that's okay. And then restart. Let's see if that fixed it. Which pip? Let me just restart the whole thing here. And then I'm going to remember. Yeah, I guess I just need to run this command later again. I'm just going to terminate it. Start it again. Start this. And then which pip? Okay. The path, it looks like the path hasn't changed. This is a huge pain. Yeah, I feel like I wanted to show something with like something real with, Selenium, but I'm just doing like troubleshooting now. But I guess that's, that's just like typical programming. So batch profile is empty now, but the path is still messed up. Why is the path still here? I mean, I just closed terminal. Could it be this one? Oh, yeah, maybe it's this one. Yeah, I mean this I don't know if this is a tutorial. I feel like this is just me struggling with stuff. So I think this might be the problem. DSHRC, whatever this is. So I'm gonna copy this onto my desktop. Yeah, how to troubleshoot with terminal. Is there any online web dev that had everything installed? Yes, I mean, it's the startup I used to work at, Replit. I mean, if I set up stuff there, I could just like, do it more easily. But there's a reason I need to like set it up locally. That's why I'm doing it this way. Okay, so I'm copying everything over to my desktop. So I have batch profile and I have ZSHRC, whatever that is, there. And then now I can ZSHRC. I can delete all of this, I think. I don't even remember like what this NVM is for. Google Cloud, something with Google Cloud. But wait, this is already commented out, the Conda thing. So why is it still there? Anyway. Yeah, I think it's like something with Node. Yeah, maybe Z. Is it ZSH history? Oh no, this is just history. I'm so confused now. Let me go into my, okay. This was supposed to be a Python Selenium stuff, like stream, but this is becoming a terminal stream. I guess that's okay. Let's see. Default login shell. This is fine. Default profile. Same profile. Default. Yeah, default profile. But what's the profile here? I mean, why doesn't it show like which file the profile is? Is it here? Profile. Shell. I'm so confused now. Like I thought it should be like troubleshooting the terminal. Yeah, I kind of want to delete everything, honestly, but I don't want to like. I'm kind of scared to delete everything too. I know. I almost want to like start a new machine at this point. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Bash profile, which I already cleaned. Bash sessions. Python history that has nothing to do with that. I mean, it must be this one. Or this one? Yeah, maybe I should just delete Anaconda. Open. Oh, I think I found it, guys. This one, DSHM. This is the problem, I think. So I'm gonna copy this thing again to desktop just in case. I don't want to break things too much. And then make sure it's there. I know I don't need to like make sure it's there, but just in case. So this one's already there. And then, okay. And then I'm gonna delete this. Okay, I hope that's gonna work. Which pip? Wait, it's not found. Which pip 3? Oh, no, pip 3 is right. So now, which pip 3? Which Python 3? That's perfect. Python. It looks like I have 2 Python. but I can just use this one, Python 3, and then pip3. Pip3 install Selenium. Selenium. Very cool. How's everyone doing, by the way? There's a warning, but I hope that's okay. And then I can go into that folder I made. What was it called? Test or Selenium experiments. And then I'm going to do Python 3 test.py. Pip3 install. I just did that. I don't know why it's not working. I don't know if it's going to be a success. No module named Selenium. Why is that? I just did pip3 install Selenium. This is such a huge pain. I mean, why is that a problem? Python 3 is here. pip3 is here. It's the same thing. So after doing pip3 install Selenium, it shouldn't happen, right? Yeah, I know I'm human, but I don't think this is my fault. I'm doing my best here. Because like this should work. I don't know what's happening. So okay, I'm just gonna search for this. No module name Selenium. No module name Selenium. Maybe one of these. Let's look at the top results. Pip install Selenium. Sudo pip install. Yeah, but specify the patch of pip3. Path. Yeah, but I shouldn't have to in this case because it's the same path. Like pip3 is here, Python 3 is here. Shouldn't they correspond to each other? Sudo pip3 Selenium. Pip3. So everyone's saying pip3 install. Okay. Okay, let's try pipenv. I hope this time it's gonna work. If I end this string without nothing working, I guess that's okay, but that would be kind of sad. Yeah, let's do that. Pipenv install Selenium. Selenium? I typed it right. Right? So it's going into pip file. Thank you for the idea, by the way. Man, I really hope this is going to work this time. Troubleshooting success with YK. Yeah, like I appreciate the title, but I don't know if it's going to be success. Could be troubleshooting failure with me. All right. And then I just need to go into pipenv shell, right? Can I go in there? Fail to create virtual environment. Again. Wait. Oh. Do I need to use pipenv3? This is using Python 2 instead of Python 3. Yeah, this should be such a like basic thing running Selenium, but I guess this is the reality. It's like spending an hour just setting up something that seems like basic. Pip3. Oh my god. So pipenv is in the right directory, but for some reason it's pointing to Python 2 instead of Python 3, which is here. Why would you do that, pipenv? That's not intuitive. Okay. Let's try again. I don't know if it's going to work. Of course. It's not working. This is such a huge pain. Okay. Pip m how to select Python version. Let's try this. Pip m install. Oh, so you can install Python with pipenv and then go from there. Maybe that's the right way. Okay, let's try this, okay? This is so sad. I just want to use Selenium, but now I'm installing Python, I guess. All right. Pip m shell. Let's go there. I'm still having a problem with that. I mean, I don't really get it because pip file, I'm going to make it bigger here. This is saying 2.7. Can I just do like, can I just change it here? And then go into pip m shell. Selenium is here. Python 3.9. Oh, I see. So it needs to be something that exists on my system, which is Python 3. Python 3.7. Let's try this. Okay. Python 3.7, 3.9. So now it's looking at the right Python, but it's still failing. The reality of coding. I feel like I want to just delete everything and start over. Module dist utils has no sysconfig. Let's check this one next. I feel like I'm getting closer. I have faith in our ability to fix this. It's a huge pain, but I think I'm getting closer. This might not be the right one. Oh, why can't my virtual env find? What is this util sysconfig? Virtual env. I mean, I'm not using virtual env. I'm using pipenv. Is it the same thing? This is a huge pain. 2 pip files. One in working directory, one in system. Yeah, maybe that's why. Okay. I'm going to start from the beginning. And I don't want to like go too long. It's supposed to be an hour, and it's already been an hour. So let's see if we can fix it in the next few minutes. So let's see what we have here, right? We don't have pip, but we have pip3. And then it's in the right directory. Python 3, they're the same thing. So I'm just going to close the terminal and then start again. Not sure if it's going to help, but at least it's something. So the Chrome driver is okay. And then I'm going to go into desktop tests. What was it? Not this one. Selenium experiment. And then I'm going to make sure it's not working. I know I'm repeating myself, but sometimes I want to make sure it's not working first. So this worked. Python 3.9. Which Python? What's the version of this one? This one is Python 3.7.9. Okay, so I just need to make sure that I'm using the right Python right here. User locally Python 3.9. So that means there must be Python. Yeah, it looks like I must have a few different Python versions. Is that what's going on? Because here it's saying Python 3.9, side packages. So it looks like this pip3 is using a different version of Python from Python 3 in this terminal. Let's see if we can fix that. So I basically just need to use this Python, and then the problem should be solved. But the thing is, when I look at user local bin, I want to see what's here. Python. I don't see Python 3.9. Yeah, there's nothing. That's so weird. All right. How do you make sure? Pip select Python version. Dealing with multiple Python versions and pip. This one's kind of old. Install a module using pip for specific Python version. Maybe this is what it is. I should do this then. Python 3, leave not bin. Oh, yeah, maybe that's what I was missing. But I think instead of messing with that, I can just do this. This might be a simpler way to deal with it. Selenium. I hope I'm spelling it correctly. Okay. I think I feel pretty hopeful, not too hopeful. But this way, with this one, I'm using a specific version, like this Python, to install Selenium, hopefully. And then hopefully I can just do, was it test.py? Okay, I'm getting closer. I'm almost done, I think. I'm just gonna make sure something happens on the browser. And honestly, that's all I want to do. Test.py. So yeah, like you're right. This pip was using something. I can just take that off, I guess. Yeah, like the pip, my pip was looking at a different Python, which is super confusing. Because I used that specific version of Python, it should be better now. And then I can just do this. All right, okay. And did it work? Looks like it crashed. It looks like it crashed. But at least it's something, it's better. Session not created. This version of Chrome driver only supports Chrome version 96. Current browser version is this with binary path application through Chrome. Oh, okay. So I need to find the right thing. No, I think the Chrome. No. Chrome is up to date. Because this is saying current browser version is this one. And then this Chrome driver only supports version 96. So I want to ask myself, how do I get cron driver for this? Maybe I will actually need to just download from here or something. Yeah, a glass of water might help. Actually, that's true. But I think I want to finish this because I remember coming back to the beginning of the stream. I saw geek, this one, Geeks for Geeks, and then I can just go from here. So I already have Python 3. I don't know if it's the latest. I know it's not the latest, but 3.7 is good enough. Download and install the latest Chrome and check your Chrome version from Chrome settings help. Okay, I don't think this is going to show my password. So I'm just going to go there. Get 1.102. And then download the Chrome. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the right thing. And then I want to see if I can uninstall this one first too, because I don't think I need it. Chrome driver is not installed. Okay, I guess I don't have to worry about it then. When Chrome driver is here, I don't know why it says Chrome driver is not installed. User local bin. Where is Chrome driver? User local bin. I guess I want to delete this one. Yeah, Koim, like I was saying, I could get a glass of water, but I want to finish this stream strong. At least show something that works. Copy this one to, can I do this? Okay. So that's just, my backup. And then I can just delete this, remove this thing. And then now Chrome driver doesn't work, which is good. Download the Chrome Webdriver zip file matching from here. What is this? googleapis.com. I don't know if I can trust this website, honestly, but I do trust Geeks for Geeks, and it's the top result. So I'm going to use that one. Matching with your Chrome version. An Apple chip from here and extract the Chrome driver. So I guess I need to find the right version, this one. I'm almost there, I think. Okay, so there are a few different ones. I guess I can try the closest one. That's what I think. So I had 115. So instead of 115, I have 61. Mac. Official Chrome site. I mean, yeah, I could open it, but I'm okay with trying this one. Because usually, like, when something shows up as the first result on Google, it's trustworthy, and this is Geeks for Geeks for sure. So I don't think that's going to be a problem to use that one. And I think it went into... let me re-download that on... Wait, there's Max 64 and Max 64 M1. What's the difference? Let me just try this one. And if it doesn't work, we're going to try something else. Much harder than lead code hard. It is much harder setting up. Do I use M1? I'm not sure. Do I check it from here? Which part am I supposed to look at? Mac with M1 chip. Like, am I using it? I don't know. Like, I don't know where I'm supposed to look at. Oh, it's Intel. So it's okay then. I got the right one. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I'm using. Yeah, thank you for the support. It's really helpful. I appreciate that. I think I put it on desktop. I already extracted it. I don't know why I have multiple Chrome drivers. Let me just clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna move stuff from driver like that. I think I can do that. Oops. Because I want to make sure I'm using the right thing. I guess I could just remove those from driver 2 and then 3. And then I can just use the graphical interface. Perfect. And then I'm sure I can just move that to, path, but I can just use, I'm pretty sure I can just do this too. Developer cannot be verified. All right. So what I did there is I just started it manually. I mean, I can put it in the right, like, correct folder later, but for now, hopefully that's gonna be okay. And then here I'm gonna do Python 3 test.py. Okay. So it looks like I might need to put Chrome driver. Oh yeah, Chrome driver executable needs to be in path. Let's fix that. I think I'm almost done with everything. Let me see where I put everything. This is kind of a pain, but let me close this. And then I have this thing here. I'm going to close it. Okay. That's okay. I'm going to open the new terminal. And then I think I can follow this. Chrome driver, user local bin. Let's move it there. So Chrome driver was here. And then I'm going to move it to user local bin. Let's see if I can run Chrome driver. Chrome driver is working. And hopefully this is going to work. And then I'm going to go to desktop. Yeah, Selenium experiment. Python 3 test.py. Let's see if this is going to work. Oh, it's working. Guys, we did it. Finally. Give me a high five, everyone, please. And yeah, I guess that's it for this stream. Yes. Yes. We did it after 75 minutes of troubleshooting. I guess this is the reality of coding. It's like expectation, set it up in 15 minutes, play with Selenium for 60 minutes. Reality, set it up in 75 minutes. But we did it anyway. High five, Chloe, and everyone. All right. I guess I'm gonna end the space. I mean, end the stream. But all right. Thank you everyone for coming here. I don't mind, showing my face a little bit. Crash course. Crash course meaning I crash everything. I'm just looking at the chat. I just give up when I'm watching it stuck at the problem. What about you? Who coding? Yeah, I don't give up that easily. Yeah. In the space, yeah. All right, thank you so much for being here. If you gave me a tweet or likes or whatever, I really appreciate that. And of course, like if I don't see your tweet, feel free to tweet me at Spaces Dojo, because that's where I get I can check all the notifications and everything. All right, thank you for sticking around. I know it's pretty late for some of you guys, but bye everyone.